Are you ready to take control of your SSC CHSL 2025 exam schedule? The Staff Selection Commission, SSC, has just rolled out a game-changing feature that puts you in the driver's seat. Starting October 22nd, candidates can now personally select their exam city, date, and shift through the SSC portal at ssc.gov.in. But here's where it gets interesting. This self-slot selection window closes on October 28th, and once you confirm your choice, there's no turning back. And this is the part most people miss. If you don't make a selection during this period, the SSC will assume you're opting out of the exam entirely. So, how do you navigate this process seamlessly? Let's break it down step by step. Why this matters: flexibility versus finality. The SSC's new self-slot selection feature is designed to make the exam process more candidate-friendly, offering flexibility in scheduling. However, this convenience comes with a catch: the finality of your decision. Once confirmed, changes are off the table. This raises a thought-provoking question. Does this system truly empower candidates, or does it add unnecessary pressure to make the perfect choice? Let's dive into the details and explore how to make the most of this opportunity. Step-by-step guide to SSC CHSL 2025 self-slot selection. Log into the SSC portal. Head over to ssc.gov.in, http://ssc.gov.in, and log in using your registration number and password. Remember, the portal is open from October 22nd to October 28th. Mark your calendar. Navigate to slot selection. After logging in, look for the option labeled Choose Exam City, Date, and Shift. Click on it to proceed. Review available slots. You'll see the 3 cities you initially selected during your application. The portal will display available slots, date, and shift for these cities. Pro tip: if you're opting for a regional language exam, keep in mind that slot availability might be limited. Make your selection. Choose your preferred city, date, and shift from the options provided. If all slots in your initial cities are filled, don't worry. The portal will suggest alternative cities, and the SSC will allocate a slot on a best effort basis. Confirm your choice. This is the moment of truth. Double-check your selected date, shift, and city before confirming. Once submitted, there's no going back. Revised exam dates. What you need to know. The SSC CHSL Tier I exam, originally scheduled for September 8th to 18th, faced unexpected delays, leaving many candidates in limbo. However, the Commission has now confirmed the new dates. The computer-based test, CBT, will take place from November 12, 2025, across multiple centers nationwide. This clarity is a relief for aspirants, but it also underscores the importance of staying updated with official notifications. Controversial question: is the self-slot system fair? While the self-slot selection feature aims to empower candidates, it's not without its critics. Some argue that the limited window and no-change policy could disadvantage those with unpredictable schedules or last-minute conflicts. What do you think? Does this system truly benefit candidates, or does it add unnecessary stress? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. By following this guide, you'll be well prepared to navigate the SSC CHSL 2025 self-slot selection process. Remember, this is your chance to tailor your exam experience to your needs, so make it count.